Welcome to all the students. In this lesson I'll be explaining the revision paper for the lab exam. So let's start it. We'll do all on scratch. So now let's create the first program. Algorithm A. This is the algorithm. We start first we create variables x, y and answer. So click on variable, click on make a variable. This is x, make another variable y. So these are the three variables x, y and answer. Now we go to the second algorithm, algorithm 2. Start the program. After the user enters the first number. So the user enters the first number, the answer comes here. Okay. After that, set variable x to first number. So go to variable block, set the variable x to the first number. Okay. After that, we have user enters the second number. Click on sensing block, ask user enter the second number. The answer will be saved here in this block. Then we will set the variable y. Okay, the variable y to the second one. Okay. Next, we will use the if statement. If x is equal to y, then it will perform this operation. So click on control. So here we need if else because we have two conditions. Then we go to operator block and here we use the equal operator. Now here we put two variables x equals y. If this condition is true, then what you do, set variable answer to x minus y. So set variable answer, click on operator, take the minus block, x minus y. So this is x and this is y. Then show the answer. How to show the answer? Go to looks, say answer. Now here we need the join operator. So join, the answer is equal to, and we put the variable answer here in the second block. Okay, but if x is not equal to y, then we will set the variable answer to x plus y. So here we come to the else statement. If it's not equal, then set answer to x plus y. So here it is x then plus y, and then we will show the result. Now here we need the join operator. So we will say the answer is equal to. Now here is the answer. Click on variable block and put the answer here. Now your program is complete. Let's check it. Okay, so it asks enter the first number 12. Okay, enter the second number 12. Now both the numbers are equal, so the first condition of the if will be executed, which is x minus y. So the answer should be 0. Let's run it again. Enter the first number 12, the second number maybe 15. Now both the numbers are not equal, so the answer will be plus 12 plus 15, 27. Here it is. Now the next algorithm is algorithm number 7. The remaining algorithm is are similar as explained before. So here we need to create three variables, number 1, number 2 and result. So if you see, I created three variables, number 1, number 2 and result. Then we start the program with the green flag, it's done already. Then go to position x 92, y minus 18. So we go to motion block. In the motion block you say go to x 92 and y minus 18. Then set variable number 1 to 0. Here it is. Click on variable. Set variable number 1 to 0. Set variable number 2 to 0. Here just change number 2. And finally set variable result to 0. That's it. The second algorithm is start the program when the user clicks on the sprite. So go to events block when this sprite is clicked. Next step, ask what is the first number. So go to sensing block and here you can write your answer question, what is the first number. The answer will come here and then set variable number 1 to user's answer. So answer is here. Now we go to variable, set variable number 1 to user answer. The same we will do for the remaining steps, the upcoming 3 steps. As you can see, we do for the both numbers. So the user will enter both the numbers till this point. Now set variable result to number 1 minus number 2. So go to variable, set variable results, here it is. Then go to operators, number 1 minus number 2. So this is minus operator, number 1 minus number 2 and place it here. The last step is show the result. Okay, say result equal to. Now here go to looks block, click on bring this hello operator and then bring the join operator. Inside the join operator on the first block you write result equal to and go to variable block and put this result here. Now your program is finished. Now let's check your program. Green flag is clicked. Now when I click this sprite, it will say what's the first number, 12. What's the second number, 23. And the result is minus 11 because 12 minus 23 is minus 11. That's it. In this part of the lesson we will create two subroutines here. First one is square, the other one is triangle. So let's do it. First I will reload my Scratch program. So the first subroutine is subroutine square. So its name is square. For this first we need the pen block. So click on that icon. This is the icon for the pen block. Click on it. Click on pen. Here it is. Now we are starting our subroutine square. So click on my block, make a block and name it draw square. Click on OK. This is your subroutine. So draw square. Okay. Now pen down. Here it is, pen down. Next step, move 30 steps. Click on motion, move 30 steps. Then turn left 90 degrees. Here this is right and this is left. So turn left 90 degrees. Then repeat step 2 and 3. This is step 2, this is step 3. So we have to repeat it. Repeat it how many times? 3 more times. So click on control. This is the repeat. This is step 2 and 3 and it's gonna repeat 4 times. Now pen up. Click on pen and here it is pen up. That's it. This is the first subroutine, square. In the same way we will create the triangle subroutine. Here are the two subroutines. Now let's check the first one. It will draw a square. Let's check the second one. It will draw a triangle. Now we will create this program when the green flag is clicked. So click on events block when the green flag is clicked. Then call subroutine draw triangle. So here we click on my block, draw triangle, then move 40 steps, click on motion, click on move 40 steps, then repeat step 2 and 3 2 more times. So go to control, go to repeat, and here it is, repeat it 3 times. Now here we have draw subroutine square, then move 40 steps. Here it is, square, move 40 steps. In the same way you will follow the remaining steps. So once your program is finished, then when you run your program, so click on the green flag, it will draw squares like this. Okay, so that's all for today's revisions tutorial. Thank you so much.